behind the lines, please. In 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're off. We're playing match number 3 here at Hudson Valley Regional. Pobots with a level 4 coral. Kingsmen with their second level 4 coral. They're coming back with a third, and they managed to get it off before the start of the teleoperated period. That'll put our Red Alliance in the lead, 49-26, going into the teleoperated period, where Kingsman is dropping off another piece of level 4 coral. The Titanium Titans going on the defensive, looking to get in the Red Alliance's way. They don't want their score to get too high, but they're currently beached on a piece of algae. Let's see if they're able to break free in the remaining 2 minutes of the match. Pobots lined up at the reef. They almost tip over, but they managed to right themselves, and now they're trying again, knocking a piece of algae off of the reef, lining up with an empty L4 branch and plopping it straight on for 6 points. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, we got Floyd Robotics. They got a piece of coral in their intake. They're lifting it up into the air. Looks like they're caught on a bit of algae, but that's okay. They just drop it at the L2 branch. Rohawks facing some defense from the Huntington machine. Huntington doesn't want to let them get the coral from the human player, so now they're forced to share one human player station, which is slowing down their cycles a little bit, but that's okay. Rohawks still have a piece of coral that they want to score, but unfortunately that branch already has a piece on it, so that coral will drop down into the center of the reef. Going back over to the red side of the field, we got Kingsmen. They're looking around for a branch on which they can score. They find one and drop it off for 5 points for the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance has broken past the 100-point threshold with over 30 seconds left in the match. Kingsman dropping off another piece of coral and heading back to grab another. They got it. They're heading over to the reef. They're lifting it up into the air. And unfortunately, or fortunately, that branch was already scored on by the Pobots, so they just score elsewhere instead. Less than 20 seconds left in the match. Robots heading back to their barge to climb. Rohawks up in the air. Looks like we have Kingsmen trying to do the same. They're up, they're up. Can they hold it in the remaining 3 seconds of the match? We'll be back with your official match results in just Red Alliance taking this one with a score of 138-83. That means the Alliance number 2 will be moving on to the upper bracket, where we'll be seeing them in match number 8, and we'll be seeing Alliance 7